Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes directly. First fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC, and after PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If still your problem not solved, then go offline, click on this word Steam and then click on go offline and then launch the game, and once the game get launched, then you can go online and see if that helps or not. Fix 2 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3, modify game launch options. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties. In the launch options, first type -dx11. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, again go to the game properties. This time type -dx12, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4, remove or uninstall modes. Now if you are using any kind of modes, then please try to remove modes and then check. Or you can simply uninstall the modes and then check. Fix 5 is to turn off Steam Cloud. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties and then toggle off this Steam Cloud option and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6, run the game in safe mode, run the game in full screen exclusive mode. So open Steam, select Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 game and then click on play. When you click on play button, it will show safe mode. Game will run without modes. So first select this option and then click on play button and see if that helps or not. If that doesn't help, then you can also select this option, run game in exclusive full screen mode and then click on play and then check if that works or not. If still your problem not solved, then you can also select reset settings and then click on play and check if this helps or not. Fix 7 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder and here you will see the game exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply, OK. And then double click this CMS 2018 exe file and then try to launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for from the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8 is to clear download cache. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then go to settings, go to the downloads tab and next to clear download cache, click on clear cache. Now please take a note, clear download cache will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? If you agree, only then click on confirm button. This will close the Steam and it will restart the Steam. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 game, select this exe file and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to Windows security users allow the game exe files to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app to control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the car mechanic simulator 2018 game folder. Select this CMS 2018 exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change setting. Click on allow another app. Click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the car mechanic simulator 2018 game folder. Select the CMS 2018 exe file. Click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well and then check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 11 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card driver version, download and install the latest version, and then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here. Select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. It is a must. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. A link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. And if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair. And if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. And then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to delete Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and save settings. And you have to restart everything from the scratch. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first if you want to keep the backup. So here how to delete it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, go to Users folder, open your username folder, then open the app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view. So check mark hidden items and then open the app data folder, open the local low folder and here open the red dot games folder. Here it is. And here you can see Car Mechanic Simulator 2018 saved game folder. You can copy both of them and then right click on it and then select copy first. And then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. Then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to disable overlay. So if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience, settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrust Master Racing Wheel, and the Taskbar Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Reserve Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 16 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the updates, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Car Mechanics Simulator 2018 game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Car Mechanics Simulator 2018 game crashes at a startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.